In a historic moment of pride for Tripura, veteran Kokborok literature, linguist and eminent educationist Naresh Chandra Debbarma was formally conferred with the prestigious Padma Shri award by President Droupadi Murmu. The country's fourth highest civilian honor was presented during a civil investiture ceremony held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan.
नरेश चंद्र देववर्मा, साहित्य एवं शिक्षा।
The national recognition honors his monumental lifelong dedication to the preservation, development and promotion of indigenous travel literature and the Kokborok language. Born on October 31, 1944 in Vishramganj, Naresh Chandra Debbarma has dedicated more than 50 years to institutionalizing the language of Tripuri people. The octogenarian scholar has authored over 34 books written primarily in Kokborok, bridging crucial gaps in the language, grammar, literature, translation and documented customs. Before immersing himself entirely into full-time language activism, Debbarma also served the public administration, eventually retiring as a joint secretary at the Tripura Legislative Assembly Secretariat. This national accolade follows the Tripura Bhushan Award, the state's highest civilian honor, which was bestowed upon him in 2024.
नरेश चंद्र देववर्मा, साहित्य एवं शिक्षा।
The achievement triggered widespread celebration across Tripura, with political leaders, literary societies and student bodies hailing it as a landmark validation of the state's indigenous heritage. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.